Happy day, my dear kids. Have you all finished your previous day's assignment? Today also we are going to continue with multiplication, multiplying two-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping means we are not going to carry over any value to the next place. Multiply 12 by 4. 12 into 4. Multiply 12 by 4 means 12 into 4 equal to dash. We have to multiply these two numbers. Let me consider these two numbers related to the object. Here two digits are there, ones, tens, two digits. So we have to write it as 2 ones and 1 tens. 2 ones and 1 tens. How many times? 4 times. 2 ones and 1 tens should be written for 4 times. 2 ones, 1 tens. 2 ones, 1 tens. As such, we have to write it for 4 times. If after writing this, now add ones values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in ones place we get the answer as 8 ones. Now in tens place 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will get the answer as 4 tens and 8 ones. So this is your answer. If we do it like this, we will get the answer directly. But we have to do using multiplication method. You have to write the two-digit number as first. Then you have to put multiplication symbol for multiplication. Then you have to write 4 below the first two-digit number. Where you have to write 4? In ones place or in tens place? 4 is a single number which should be written under ones place. Okay, so this is ones place and this is tens place. 4 is a single digit number, so we have to write under ones place. Then put 2 dashes like this. Then we have to multiply it. Let me start with ones place. Multiply 4 with ones place value 2. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. Then go to tens place value. In tens place 1 is there. Multiply this 1 with 4. 4 ones are 4. So we have to write 4 ones are 4 under tens place. So you got the answer as 48 by multiplying 12 with 4. 12 should be written for 4 times. Then you get the answer as 48. 12 fours are 48. In this way we have to do multiplication. 12 into 4 equal to 48. We got the answer as 48 by multiplying two numbers. This 48 represents the product of these two numbers. 48 is the product of these two numbers. These two numbers are the factors of this product. Okay, by multiplying these two numbers we will get the answer. So if we get the answer as like this, then this is called the product of these two numbers. Let me do multiplication under let's do part. 34 into 2. Under ones place we have to write the single digit number 2. Now the multiplication starts from ones place. In ones place 4 and 2 are there. So multiply these two numbers. 4 into 2. 2 fours are 8. If you multiply ones place values, you will get the answer as 8. Then go to tens place. 3 into 2. 2 threes. 2 threes are 6. We get the answer as 6 in tens place. Therefore, by multiplying 34 with 2, we will get the answer as 68. 34 into 2 equal to 68. Next, let me see multiplying two-digit numbers with regrouping of tens, which means we are going to do regrouping in tens place. Multiply 42 by 3. Now we are going to multiply 42 by 3. This should be written in the form of 42 into 3 equal to dash. Let me write 42 into 3 using the place values. 42. In 42, in ones place, 2 is there. Under ones place, we have to keep 2 dots, right? Now in tens place, 4 is there. So how many dots we have to keep under tens place? 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many times 42 are there? 3 times 42. So we have to do the same for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 42 should be written for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times it was written as same. 4, 2, 42. 4, 2, 42. 4, 2, 42. After writing 3 times, now add from ones place. In ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in ones place, 6 dots are there. Now add in tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you get the answer as 12 under tens place. Look at here, children. We got the answer as 12. But in tens place, we have to write tens place value only. How many tens are here? 12 tens. This can be split into 10 plus 2. Okay. So 10 tens plus 2 tens. 10 tens are equal to 100. 10 tens are equal to 100. 10 tens will be carried over to hundreds place. Only 2 tens remains in same place. 10 tens will be moved to hundreds place because 10 tens are equal to 100. Hope you are clear. I repeat again. We got the answer as 12 tens under tens place. 12 tens can be split up into 10 plus 2. That means 10 tens plus 2 tens. 2 tens remains in the same place, tens place. 10 tens will be carried over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 tens will be carried over to the hundreds place because 10 tens are equal to 10 tens are equal to 100. Okay, children, 10 tens are equal to 100. So 10 tens are equal to 100. So we have to keep only one dot under hundreds place. Now we are going to multiply 42 with 3 using multiplication method. Before that we have done addition. Now we are going to do multiplication. How many digits are there in 42? 2 digits. So ones, tens. 3 is the single digit number which should be written under ones place. Now multiply 2 with 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. Ones place is over. Now go to tens place. Now we have to multiply the single digit number 3 with tens place value. In tens place 4 is there. So we have to multiply 3 with 4. 3 4s are 12. So we have to write 12. So we have to write 12 as it is. Now check here. I have written 12. From 12, 2 comes under tens place. 1 will be carried over to hundreds place, which is not 1, which means 10 tens. 10 tens will be carried over to hundreds place. 10 tens are equal to 100s. 1 will come under hundreds place. Therefore, 42 into 3 equal to 126. Hope you all understood the concept of multiplying 2-digit number without regrouping and multiplying 2-digit number with regrouping of tens. If you want to see the previous videos of chapter 1 and 2, subscribe this channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal and watch the videos from playlist of this channel. Thank you.